Hey there, my name is Joy. Today we're diving into the exciting world of data analysis. If you're ready to embark on a journey of becoming a professional data analyst to build a career in data analysis, here are skills and softwares you need to learn to become a professional data analyst. Remember, data analysis is in high demand and pays very well. Let's get started. Excel for data analysis. First up, we have the trusty old Excel. Excel is a data analyst's best friend. From sorting and filtering to creating complex formulas, it's an essential tool for managing and cleaning your data. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, mastering Excel is a key step on your data analysis journey. Power BI and Tableau for data analysis. Now, let's dive into the world of data visualization with Microsoft's Power BI and Tableau. These tools turn raw data into compelling visual stories. You will learn to create stunning dashboards and interactive charts that makes your data come alive. Whether you're presenting to a client or your team, these skills will make you stand out as a data analyst. Next, let's talk about SPSS and Stata. These powerful statistical software packages are like secret weapons for data analysts. They can handle complex data sets and perform advanced statistical tests with ease. We'll guide you through the basics so you can navigate those tools confidently and tackle any data analysis challenges. Python and R for data analysis. These are absolute game changer for data analysis. Python's versatility and R statistical capabilities open up a world of possibilities, from data manipulations to machine learning. These languages will help supercharge your analytical skills. Last but not the least, let's talk about SQL, the language of database. It's a crucial skill for anyone working with data. We teach you how to retrieve, manipulate, and analyze data using SQL. Whether you're dealing with small or massive data sets, SQL will help you extract a valuable insights. There you have it, folks. We've covered the essential skills and softwares you need to become a pro data analyst. Excel for data management, SPSS and Stata for statistics, Power BI and Tableau for visualization, Python and R programming, and SQL for database queries. If you found this video valuable and want more data related content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Also, make sure you follow us on all our social media pages for updates, tips, and engaging discussions. Thanks for joining us today on this data-driven adventure. Remember, the world of data analysis is vast, but with the right skills and tools, you can conquer it. Until next time, keep analyzing, keep learning, and stay curious. Bye!